Hey everyone, if you're new to grilling or just want to find out more about how to get your grill cooking like a well-oiled machine, here's what you need to know. Cooking oil plays a pivotal role in flat top grilling. It keeps your cooking surface well seasoned and keeps your food from sticking. Olive oil has long since been the gold standard for grilling, but these days you'll find a glut of options ranging from peanut to sunflower to avocado oil. But with so many options to choose from, which oil's best? Well, no one oil ticks all the boxes, as each oil has its own unique smoke point, flavor profile, and health benefits. Today, we're going to cover some of our favorite types of oils to grill with, so let's dig in. First one on the list is olive oil. Olive oil, whether regular, virgin, or extra virgin olive oil, is probably the most used grilling oil in the world. It is made from olives, which contain healthy fat that is high in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It has a smoke point of 390 to 468 degrees Fahrenheit. The flavor profile is neutral and mild, suitable for almost any palate. Olive oil is best used for vegetables, meat, fish, chicken, even for pasta, marinades, and salads for cook-off accompaniments. Peanut oil is made from the seeds of a peanut plant. Most peanut oil is refined, neutral in flavor, and great for high heat cooking, especially stir frying and deep frying, because it does not absorb the flavor of other food. It is also perfect for grilling because it has a high smoke point of 450 degrees. You can also use vegetable oil. Just like sunflower or avocado oil, vegetable oil has a high smoke point which ensures that your oil won't burn on the grill, which can ruin the seasoning process as well as the taste of your food. Vegetable oil is neutral tasting and smelling and has a smoke point of about 400 degrees. Because it doesn't add much flavor, it's good for high heat sauteing and is generally our fry oil of choice. With a neutral flavor profile and versatile smoke point of 400 degrees, canola oil truly lets the aroma and taste of your favorite deep fried cuisine shine. Another favorite grilling oil is sunflower oil. With a smoke point of 450 degrees Fahrenheit and a slightly nutty flavor, sunflower oil is the pantry hero for all things sear and saute related, not to mention stir frying and deep frying. Avocado oil has a very high smoking point of over 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the highest of all the oils on our list. As well as being perfect for the grill, avocado oil is one of the healthiest oils available. It also boasts a delicious flavor profile. Cold-pressed avocado oil has been described as having an avocado flavor with grassy, buttery, and mushroom-like flavors. And just like that, you are a grilling oil expert. So which oils are your favorite to grill with? Let us know in the comments. We hope this video helps you choose your next oil. Thanks for watching. For more tips and techniques, be sure to visit nexgrill.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, happy grilling.